अस्सलाम वालेकुम। रिसर्च मेथड्स के लेक्चर 6 के साथ हाज़िर हैं, पार्ट 6 के साथ हाज़िर हैं। बिफ़ोर गोइंग इन टू डिटेल्स, आज के टॉपिक में एक फ्लैशबैक ले लें। रिसर्च होती क्या है? रिसर्च इज़ वन ऑफ द वेज ऑफ फाइंडिंग आंसर्स टू योर प्रोफेशनल एंड प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. However, it is characterized by the use of tested procedures and methods and unbiased objective attitude in the process of exploration. आज का टॉपिक है हमारा रिसर्च डिज़ाइन। तो रिसर्च डिज़ाइन को जो डिफ़ाइन किया है थेयर ने 1993 में, अ ट्रेडिशनल रिसर्च डिज़ाइन इज़ अ ब्लूप्रिंट और डिटेल प्लान फॉर हाउ अ रिसर्च स्टडी इज़ टू बी completed, operationalizing variables so that can be measured, selecting a sample of interest to study, collecting data to be used as a basis for testing hypotheses, and analyzing the results. इसी तारीफ़ को कुछ और अंदाज में ईज़ी वे में जो कि आप स्मार्ट वे में याद रख सकते हैं कि रिसर्च डिज़ाइन इज़ अ प्रोसीजर प्लान दैट इज़ अडॉप्टेड बाय द रिसर्चर टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस वैलिडली, ऑब्जेक्टिवली, एक्यूरेटली एंड इकनॉमिकली। आप इस तारीफ़ को यहाँ तक याद कर सकते हैं। मज़ीद इसकी वजाहत आप करने के लिए का रिसर्च डिज़ाइन देयरफॉर answers questions that would determine the path you are proposing to take for your research journey. Through a research design, you decide for yourself and communicate to other. You decide regarding what study design you propose to use, how you are going to collect information from your respondents, how you are going to select your respondents, how the information you are going to collect is to be analyzed, and lastly, how you are going to communicate with your findings of that study. Types of research design. सबसे पहले हमारे पास है क्रॉस सेक्शनल स्टडी डिज़ाइन, और इसकी डिटेल्स जो हैं कि वन शॉर्ट स्टडीज़, only one contact with the study population, studies conducted to find out prevalence of some phenomena, problem, issue, etc., like corona, like dengue, like tsunami, and other social issues by taking cross sections of population of different segment of life. It's a cheaper study and cannot measure change, only one contact with the population. That's why this is a disadvantage. Next is types of research design to be continued. Before and after study design. The way pre-test, post-test studies, 2 times contact with the population for pre-test and post-test as well. Good for assessing impact of some programs, interventions. कि पहले आप इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं, फिर इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं. ओके, एंड डिफरेंसेस आर कंपेयर्ड, और इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस भी हैं. ओनली टोटल चेंज कैन बी मेजर्ड, सो डिफ़िकल्ट टू असेस कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एक्सट्रेनिशियस वेरिएबल. मैचुरेशन इफेक्ट इस पे असरअंदाज होता है. रिएक्टिव इफेक्ट, रिसर्च इंस्ट्रूमेंट एजुकेट्स समटाइम्स, एंड रिग्रेशन इफेक्ट एज वेल फ्रॉम इनिशियल एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन टू टेंडिंग टुवर्ड्स मीन्स. नेक्स्ट डिज़ाइन है लॉन्गिट्यूडनल रिसर्च डिज़ाइंस फॉर द लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ स्टडी. Contact with the population a number of times to assess reduction of disease like polio with the passage of time, and like corona these days, मार्च 20 में क्या पोजीशन थी, एंड मई 20 में क्या पोजीशन है, जुलाई 20 में क्या पोजीशन है, इसका एक बेहतरीन एग्जांपल है. टू असेस द इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ सम थेरेपी फॉर ड्रग यूजर्स, ड्रग एडिक्ट्स, एंड असेसिंग परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ड्यूरिंग पर्टिकुलर सेशन. जैसे हमारे यहाँ हर 3 महीने के ऊपर एनुअल सिस्टम में बच्चों की असेसमेंट की जाती है. डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ दिस डिज़ाइन सम सेम एज इन बिफोर एंड आफ्टर स्टडी डिज़ाइन, उसकी तरह ही हैं, आप उसको रिपीट कर लें. और नंबर 2 इज़ कंडीशनिंग इफेक्ट. रिस्पोंडेंट माइट बिकम अवेयर ऑफ द प्रोसेस एंड गिव कैरियर रिस्पॉन्स समटाइम्स, एंड मोर्टेलिटी इफेक्ट एज वेल. Replicated cross-sectional design, cross-sectional study substituting longitudinal study, choosing clients who are at different phases of a program, choosing students from the same institute who are studying with different duration, like first year, second year, third year, master's students, etc. Next design, we have experimental design, which have some more design in it, sub designs like after only design, before and after designs, control group designs, double control design, comparative designs, matched control design, placebo design. Few details about experimental design में after only design इसको post test only design भी कहा जाता है. Intervention is introduced and its effect measured. Baseline is usually created by past records or subjects recall of the situation before the intervention. So disadvantage, no actual baseline to compare. Control group design, which is famous design in the experimental designs. Two population groups are selected, experimental and control groups. Control group is introduced for comparison only. The groups are comparable in every respect except the intervention, which is introduced to experiment group only. Before and after measurements are conducted for both groups, definitely for comparison. Effect of exponential variable is quantified as well. This is a disadvantage in it. Double control design, two control groups are used to check the effect of maturation, regression or reactive effect. Researchers exclude one of control group from the before observation. For example, experimental 1 minus experimental 2 in mixed differences, and control group 1 minus control group 2 differences without treatment effect, and only one can studies with no reactive effect as well. Comparative designs, to compare effectiveness of different treatment modalities. Study population is divided into same number of subgroups as the number of treatment need to be tested. Before and after measurements are done while introducing treatment to subgroups. Degree of change in the dependent variable in different populations is compared to establish the relative effectiveness of various interventions. Matched control experimental design. Comparative groups are formed on matched characteristics, for example, socioeconomic status, for example, age, disease, etc., to reduce individual differences, and disadvantage can be in it. On more than one variable, matching becomes difficult. On abstract concept like self-esteem, like emotional quotient or IQ, EQ, matching is very difficult. Placebo design, patients' belief sometimes affect the treatment they are receiving. This design contains experimental, control and placebo groups who receives a fake treatment. The groups are compared easily. Cohort studies, these are based on the existence of common characteristics such as year of birth, graduation or a marriage within a sub of a population. For example, finding a marital satisfaction among couples who married in 1990s. Case studies are another famous design which usually population knows. An approach to studying a social phenomenon through a analysis of individual cases, single studies. The case may be an individual, group, episode, process, organization, community, society or any other unit of social life. Retrospective study design, these studies investigate a phenomenon, situation, problem or issue that has happened in the past. For example, relationship between levels of unemployment, which is past event, along with the street crimes, current event, and effect of early childhood experiences on certain mental disorder, etc. Thank you very much. Keep watching Gul Info for you. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your circles, to dear and near ones. And the last, for any question you may ask in comment sections or email given in description. 24/7 it's available, and we are waiting for your positive, negative or critical comments. Thank you.